All right, so here we are. We got our break free. We've got our individual parts that we've taken apart here. Now we're not taking the bolt out because we're going to be using this in the next few days, and so I'm not going to go through that. With the Teflon coating here, you're not going to need a lot of break free, so this is going to be pretty quick. We're just going to do one. We're going to shake our break free up on the barrel. We're going to do a squirt up at the front of the barrel. We're going to do a squirt down at the back of the barrel. And that right there is really going to be enough for this whole side of the barrel here. And what this is going to do is that's going to get into that Teflon, and it's really going to let some of the dirt and grease and dust and grime and everything that we've gotten into in the field, and it's going to let it pull out of there when we go to scrub it later. Okay, we're getting that all wiped up. And this is the part of the barrel that slides and locks into the top end and the back of our receiver here. So we definitely want to wipe that up real good with the break free. And I'm actually going to give it another squirt. Okay. And you can use the break free liberally on any of this material out here. I just don't use a lot just simply because this particular firearm has a protective coating on it, and so I just use this as an added protection and barrier for the protection that I already have on this particular shotgun. Okay, now that I got my barrel, I'm just going to set it off to the side, and I'm going to do the same thing with my 4-end cap and 4-end.